want to do you know. New link on the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. New link. Attack.
Yes. Somebody. Ha. You don't know. New link is here, people. Appreciate the love, appreciate the support from everyone. You understand? Who comes up, boom, sir. And so we need back new link. Who comes up, boom, sir. And reach out to YouTube and Twitter. Who comes up, boom, sir. And share the word, and share the love, and share the support, and say, attack, we need new link. Now new link is back in full force. Thanks to each and everyone for the love and the support. Thanks to everyone who stayed tuned, everyone who never give up. Sir, I don't know anything of my viewers and my subscribers. For one day I can't launch no attacking. Me have to keep it cool down, new link. So new link is back. And I see this now when we want to talk about, but people from the other day couldn't talk about it. You know Elephant Man now. You know Elephant Man now. You see you now. Even though them charge or what them do. Let me tell you this now. You say you elephant. You idiot elephant. Let me tell you this. You know see how a real madman and a waste man. Big man thing. Eh? Because what you do at the AI now, you not get no attack. Then deal with that too easy. And new link need to fix your business. Real way. Because you tell the immigration people them lie. If you breach the system, but they know see you travel go over Europe you know. In some country where the thing big up and turn up and you know what I mean? Just because you want a couple dollars. So money better than my Jamaican citizen in life. Your money. When you could have come back and carry this big old big C thing and kill off much people, make much people sick, just because you tell lie. Eh? What hard in it you just start the truth, turn up your yard up there with your dog them for 2 weeks? What hard in that? You still love your dog them so much. So what could be so hard in that for just say boom so? Do the thing, they have in a quarantine up your house there, 2 weeks. Cause they couldn't make you do it up in your yard. You don't come out. You're afraid they put you in the room. They never put you in the room, Ellie. Some in the rate what you do now, you know. Zane, because I tell you, new link deal with my Jamaican people and I represent for the poor, for everybody. And because sometimes you don't feel like you have this money and everything, you don't feel like you can do no shit and get away with it. But you not bigger than the government. None of you know. And any other entertainer who want to do the same thing, remember me tell you now, Mr. Anjo, now I'm going to tell you, send them a prison. Can't have people life around them, the big risk, the man. Eh? A serious thing, the people. The man could have care about this big old big thing and kill off much people. Because of what? In liadness. Hmm? You saw Richard dirty Trevor him? Eh? You need to take this thing more serious. You need to take on a smartphone or want to have anything and Google the thing and see much people this thing I take out. Yes, I look at idiot now. Go the old people that kill. But when you young people catch and kill off your old people, I want to feel on yourself. Eh? And Tanda thinking I kill young people too. Tanda with it. And sometimes you know young. And some sickness and you know what you know. And when you feel everything safe for no good. Eh? Death rate you know this one don't even understand the fullest. Hmm? So the big C thing, a serious thing. I want to do take heed. I understand a serious thing. No joke thing. Eh? Yo, Mr. Ellie, I can't even know. Right now, new link catch yo. You see what you do? You see what you do? And get chance. You get a chance. But you come and apologize after. You tell the big lie. See, they didn't charge you. They didn't charge you. Just gonna look at time for that, though. Sure. Viewers and subscribers, don't know, man. There. Give thanks life as usual. I know new link with. You understand? And as I tell you, I appreciate the love and support from each and everyone. And I see where the big C thing I know people. Me call it big C. No response to nobody want to tell me about cancer the big C. This is my big C. You understand? Me different, me fix my thing my way or more fix my thing. You understand? So you don't know a thing go. You get me? Some people you don't know man, enough love and enough respect same way and you don't know. Peace you know and respect. You get me? Bless up. I see some people here now. Watch them and look for me. Me not trust them in the people. Me sure no. Look out there. I want to go buy some chicken. I see these heap of boy there now. I don't trust them. Alright my people. I don't trust them.
What them a go do ya now? No link on the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. No link. Attack.